Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need a couple of prerequisites before you begin. Check Realme UI and Android version so you know which menu labels to expect, and backup photos and docs to cloud or PC. Once done, confirm you have at least 10% free space, and if using an SD card, enable developer options and USB debugging to allow mounts or media transfers. Now open Settings and go to Storage to start the actual change. Proceed exactly with the next steps. You're now switching locations and moving data. Open Settings, tap Storage, and if Realme UI shows an option to set default write disk, choose the SD card for photos or downloads. Then move apps individually. Go to Apps, pick the app, tap Storage, and then change or move to shift its data. For media and documents, use the Files app to select folders and move to internal or SD. Alternatively, copy to cloud for safety. Make sure not to interrupt transfers to avoid corruption. Finish by rebooting so the system reapplies mounts and storage permissions. This often resolves app read/write issues. If an app misbehaves after moving, clear its cache, check storage permission, or uninstall and reinstall it to reset data pointers. If the SD card isn't recognized, unmount it from storage, then reformat as portable or adoptable based on your need. Reformatting erases data, so restore from backup afterward. One key tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.